Welcome to the Business Central Chronicles, a series of daily videos that will take you on a journey through Dynamics 365 Business Central. In today's video, we'll explore what Dynamics 365 Business Central is and how it can benefit your business. Today's topic is, what is Dynamics 365 Business Central? Dynamics 365 Business Central is a cloud-based enterprise resource planning (ERP) solution designed for small and medium-sized businesses. It's designed for small and medium-sized businesses. Dynamics 365 Business Central offers a range of benefits, including improved efficiency, increased productivity, and better decision-making. Let's explore some of the key benefits of Dynamics 365. It can help you improve efficiency by streamlining processes, reducing costs, and improving collaboration. It can help you increase productivity by providing real-time insights, enabling data-driven decisions, and improving forecasting. Dynamics 365 Business Central can help you make better decisions by providing you with a comprehensive view of your business. In summary, Dynamics 365 Business Central is a cloud-based ERP solution designed for small and medium-sized businesses. It offers a range of benefits. Join us tomorrow for Day 2 of the Business Central Chronicles, where we'll dive deeper into the navigating the Business Central interface. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow our Instagram page, Goms Tech Talks, for detailed tutorials and insights into Dynamics 365 Business Central.